So here is another question on solving linear equations in two variables using elimination method. So we have to solve for x and y. The two equations are ax plus by minus a plus b is equal to 0 and bx minus ay minus a minus b is equal to 0. Okay, so first we'll write the equations ax plus by. Here we'll take this minus a plus b to the RHS, so it will become a minus b. Okay, this, and then okay, this is the first equation, and then we have bx minus ay is equal to a plus b, taking minus a and minus b to the RHS. This is equation 2. Now here if you see the coefficient of y, here it is b and here it is minus a, plus minus. So the main concept of elimination method is to eliminate one variable through whatever modifications you want to do through multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, that. So here we have to match the coefficients of y and then we'll add them, and that will cancel y totally. So here we will multiply here a on both LHS and RHS, and here we'll multiply b in both LHS and RHS. Okay, so now we have a square x plus aby is equal to a square minus ab. This is equation 3. And b square x minus aby is equal to ab plus b square. This is equation 4. So now if we add these two equations, equation 3 plus equation 4, we will have these two will get cancelled, plus aby minus aby. Here we have a square x plus b square x, which is equal to here a square minus ab plus b square. So here minus ab plus ab will get cancelled. So we have here a square plus b square x is equal to a square plus b square. That implies x is equal to 1. Okay, x is equal to 1. Now if we substitute this x is equal to 1 in any of the equations, let's say we put it in here, the first equation, which is ax plus by is equal to a minus b. So if we put, this is the first equation, so if we put, let's say this is equation 5, in equation 1 we have a into 1 plus by is equal to a minus b. That implies by is equal to a minus b minus a, which is equal to minus b. That implies y is equal to minus b by b, which is equal to minus 1. Okay, y is equal to minus 1. So we have the solution of the given linear equations in two variables. They are x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1. Okay, x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1. This is the solution. So here is another question on solving linear equations in two variables using elimination method. So here we have to solve for x and y. The two equations are ax by b minus by by a is equal to a plus b, and the second equation is ax minus by is equal to 2ab. So first we'll write the equations. So ax by b minus by by a is equal to a plus b. So this is the first equation. So what we can do is we can simplify it a bit. So what we'll do, we'll multiply the LCM of the denominators b and a on both sides. So we'll multiply AB on both sides. Here AB and here also AB. So we'll have a square x minus b square y is equal to a square b plus ab square. Okay, so this is the proper equation. Eliminating the fractional form, this is the equation 2. The same as equation 1 but in a proper form without the fraction, so that we can handle it in an easy way. Then the second equation which is given in the question, which is the third equation which will be here, which is ax minus by is equal to 2ab. Okay, this is equation 3. So here you can eliminate x, here you can eliminate y. So here we'll be eliminating y. So how we can eliminate y? If we match the coefficients of y in equation 2 and 3. So how we can do it? By multiplying b in equation 3 and then subtracting it from equation 2. So we'll multiply b in equation 3 on both sides. So we have abx minus b square y is equal to 2ab square. Okay, this is b into equation 3. Okay, this. Now we have to perform the operation. Equation 2 minus b into equation 3. So for that we have equation 2 a square x minus b square y equal to a square b plus ab square. This is equation 2 and this is b into equation 3. abx minus b square y is equal to 2ab square. Okay. So when we subtract them, we have this is minus, this will be plus, this will be minus. So here it is a square minus ab into x is common, b square y minus b square y, and here plus b square y, because minus b square y minus b square y, it becomes plus. See, that becomes minus b square y plus b square y. That's the sign denotes. Okay, so they will get eliminated, and here a square b plus AB square minus 2AB square. So we'll have A square B minus AB square. Okay, plus AB square minus 2AB square is minus AB square. Okay, so we have, and this is equal to, here if we take B common, we have A square minus AB. So we have C, A square B minus AB square, taking B common, we have A square minus AB. So we have A square minus AB into X is equal to B into A square minus AB. So on both sides, A square minus AB gets cancelled. So we have X is equal to B. Okay, X is equal to B. Now, if we substitute this value in equation 2, that is AX minus BY is equal to 2AB. Let's see what will happen. AX minus BY is equal to 2AB. This is equation 2 in the question, but here it is equation 3. We have expressed it. But technically it is equation number 2 in the, which is given in the question. So if we substitute this here, X is equal to B, we have A into B minus BY is equal to 2AB. Okay, that implies minus BY is equal to 2AB minus AB, which is equal to AB. So that implies minus BY is equal to AB. On both sides will cancel B and B. That implies Y is equal to minus A. Y is equal to minus A. So we have X is equal to B, Y is equal to minus A, which is the solution of the given pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay. So all it involves is eliminating one variable, whichever you like, by whichever operation you are comfortable with, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, whatever you do, whatever modifications, manipulations you do, you have to eliminate one variable, bring the equation in terms of one variable, get that value, and then substitute that value to get the value of the other variable. Okay, this is the core principle of elimination, and we have done that here. So we have to be just a bit careful here, because here there are a lot of it is in terms of A, B and the various in the whole equation is not in terms of direct real numbers. It is in terms of A, B and their division, their product, and like that. So there is a lot of chance that you will make some mistake in one of the steps. So just be careful about that. Okay.